Hey, it's Lee. Welcome for tuning in to Hyperspeed 3D. Today we are printing the next part of the electric skateboard build. It's currently in process. It's going to take over 7 hours to build to make the 3D printed part. I will show you a close-up shot in just 1 minute. Here we are at my Tronxy 3D printer. I am printing in a green generic PLA plastic. We have got some support material building and some raft. We have 2 perimeters, 10% infill. We have the cooling fan on. And then I designed this in tinkercad online. It took me a while to make. I also made the cutout myself and all the screw holes myself. This is going to fit 3 LiPo batteries and the speed controller, and the 2 wires go through that hole through there, and the nose. Got the LCD battery indicator light goes over there, and the power on and off switch is just go right there. I'm just deciding where to print this battery hatch, a different colour. You can check out my other 3D printing videos and also how I made this metal bracket for this new printer of mine. Check the display link. Display of the other videos in my list on my YouTube channel. Once the battery holder is completed in 3D printed, I will show you that in the next video. If you haven't done also already, could you please hit that like button and also subscribe, and also share it on all your social media sites, and don't forget to tell your friends. To see any future notifications of updated videos to come, don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching. And also, thank you very much for the new 2 subscribers I've got on my YouTube channel. You know who you are. Thanks again.